Namaste children. I hope you had learned small friend, family, friend and practicing that very well. We are going to start the next level, big friend family. Okay. Big friend family means friend of 1 is 9. Going to add 1. So 9 will be the friend of 1. If you are going to add 2, so 8 friend of 2 is 8 because both combine to make 10. So we will be working on big family. It means family of 10. So all the members of this 1 and 9 friends, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 6 and 4, 5 and 5. So these will be utilized here. These friends will collectively will work in this big family friend formulas. Okay. In this formula, we are going to start add 1. Whenever you see the ones rod is fill up, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, now I made 9. So no spaces left. Now what to do? We have to shift to next rod. So in that case, what is the formula? If you want to add 1, so formula is less 9 add 10. So add 1 is less 9 on the ones rod and add 10 on the tens rod. Okay. So first of all, we will do practice of formula on this. So first I'm going to arrange all beads as ones, tens, ones, tens. So you can do practice of formula memorizing first. Formula practice is must first. Okay. So let's start. So it's ones rod. So formula is add 1 is less 9. See, you have to remember use these two fingers to just remove the beads from the ones rod and add the beads. Okay. So for ones rod, you have to use these two fingers, and for tens, you have to use this finger for this, particularly for this lesson. So this is 9. So add 1 is less 9 add 10. Okay. This is for tens, lower beads. This is for upper bead. Okay. So let's do. This is 9. So add 1 is less 9 add 10. Less 9 add 10. Add 1 is 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 less 9 add 10. Add 10. Okay, this way. Now you learn the formula, you memorize. Now we are going to do a few questions based on this. We have taken only simple numbers. Only that are, these numbers are utilizing only this particular formula only. Add 1. Okay, not complexity, simple questions. 2, 5, add 2, now add 1. So less 9, add 10. 3, so this is 13. Now this is 7, 2, 1. So less 9, add 10. Add 3, add 5. So 18. 3, 6, add 1. Less 9, add 10. 3, add 6, add 1. So less 9, add 10. Add 2, add 7. This is 19. Next is now 8. Less 2, add 3, add 1. Less 9, add 10. Add 5, 15. Okay. So 9, add 1. So less 9, add 10. 3, add 1. Less 3. 11. Next question. 2, 5, add 2, add 1. So less 9, add 10. Then 3. So this is 13. 5. Then 4, 1. So less 9, add 10. 4, less 2. This is 12. 3, add 5. Less 2, add 3, add 1. Less 9, add 10. So this is 10. Next is 5, add 4, add 1, less 9, add 10, 9, add 1 again, so less 9, add 10, 20. Now the question, this is a 5, 4, add 1, less 9, add 10, 9. Now add 1 again, so less 9, add 10. So we use twice this formula. Now 1, 8, add 1, so less 9, add 10, 9, less 3, so this is 16. Next 6, add 2, add 1, again add 1, so no bit is left. So less 9, add 10, now 5, this is 15. I hope you learned this and you like this. If any doubt, I am here to help you out. Write in the comment box and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in next class. Bye bye.